Dr. Evan Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Sempre Levante. Always forward. Hi, Dr. Evan Chait here from Kinetic Rehab and Spine. I want to teach you how to use the Hypervolt for your posterior hip. All right, so first we need to know how to turn it on. There's an on button at the bottom, and there's the power supply. So you push there, and it starts percussing. There's 3 speeds you can go out. We'll start with speed 1. From here, I want you to actually get on the butt, the posterior hip. Now, what I want you to do from this position is actually turn your toe slightly in of the hip, so we're putting a little bit more of a stretch on those muscles in the posterior hip, and I want you to shift your weight. I'm going to come this way a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing. I'm shifting my way out. Shifting my weight out. I'm shifting my weight out. I'll come back this way so you can see where the Hypervolt is actually on. So we're actually doing a mobilization with movement while applying the Hypervolt to flush out any kind of metabolic waste, break up any scar tissue or adhesions. This will accelerate the healing process. And I'm just going to play around different hip angles. Nice. So that's where I feel a lot of the tension on myself, and you just play around. Great. If you want to learn more about what we do at Kinetic Rehab and Spine, on our techniques, our strategies, on how we could serve and help you, hit like and subscribe, and please share with your friends and family. Sempre Levante.